Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I would like to show you how you can stake your PKN, that is POKMI. You can stake it on the website POKMI.com. So it's so simple and straightforward. Just try and follow this video and watch it to the very end. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So when you open your trust wallet, all you need is your POKMI, that is PKN token, and small BNB for gas fee. So when you have those two and you open your trust wallet like this, just go to your dApps, then in the search box type in POKMI.com and load it. So if the token is actually on both Ethereum and smart chain network, so but for the one that I have the one that is on BSC network, that is smart chain network. So I will change this Ethereum icon back to smart chain. So when I'm done with that, now the first thing you have to do is to click on this three dash line here, and then you click on go to the app. So when you did that, it will actually give you a pop-up to register, to create an account, or you should log in. So since I don't have an account yet, I'll click on create an account. Then I'll enter my email here. So I'll enter my email. Then I'll click on create. So an email has been sent to my email. So I have to go to my email in order to confirm the link. So let me do that now. So I've confirmed my email address. If you are doing your own, when you receive the email confirmation link in your email, so when you click on the link, it will actually take you to a page where you have to enter a password for your account. So when you do that, your email will be confirmed, so you can come back to your trust wallet and then log in with your email and the password. So I'll click on this. Already have a POKMI account, then I'll enter my email and my password in order to log in. So I've entered my email and my password, so I'll click on login. Then this is the site. So when you log in, the first thing to do is to click on this icon at the top right side of the screen. Then you click on manage account. So now you need to do some settings. You can see this is the main page. You can buy token, or you can buy token on Ethereum network or BSC network, any one that you want to buy on. And this are the staking. You can stake, you can pull, you can do pulling. So but the first thing you have to do is to set up your account. So I'll click on this account settings. So it will ask me to enter the name, the username, and also my wallet. So I'll click on the name. I'll enter my name here. So I'll save the changes, and also I can use the username that I want. So I'll enter the username that I prefer here. So I've input my username. I'll click on save changes. Okay, so the next thing to do is to click on this add your wallet address. So we ask me to connect, I'll connect. So you can see my wallet has been connected. So if I go back now, it's going to display the amount of token that I have inside my wallet, so that I can stake it. So I'll click on this back arrow. think I have to reload the page. So reload. So you can see that the balance that I have inside my wallet is now displaying 850 PKN. So any ones that I want to use here, I can go for staking, I can go for earnings. But actually, if you go for staking, there is a minimum amount that you can stake. There's a minimum amount that you can stake, and this is on Ethereum network, so I can change it to BSC network. So you can see the amount that I have inside my wallet is displayed. So if you want to go for the master pack, the minimum is 100,000. I think it's 100,000 for each of the staking, and for the staking it has a particular period of time that you can stake. I think the tokens will be locked for 12 months. That is a year if you are participating in staking. So, but on the other hand, you can participate in pool, which is pool. So when you click on start in for pool, that one you can stake and you'll be getting a PY of 38%. And the reward will be distributed every Tuesday from 2nd of November. You can see it here. So you can actually do this one if you don't want to do the staking for 1 month, for 1 year rather. So I will do this this one. I'll click on add to pool. Then I'll type in the amount that I want to use, which is 850 total. So, and I'll click on add to pool. So I'll click on confirm. And then I'll approve it. Then I'll approve again. This is the second approval, and I think that's the last one. Okay, so you can see I've successfully added my pool to the my token to the pool. So I'll start earning 38% APY on what I pull. So that's a simple way to pull your PKN token. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you. See you again later.